Today we are celebrating World Population Day. It is celebrated on July 11 every year in order to spread and raise awareness of the rising global population issues. World Population Day was invented by the Governing Council of the United Nations Development Programme way back in 1989. This day was inspired by the public interest of 5 billion day on July 11, 1987, which means that this initiative was taken on the approximate date when the world's population reached 5 billion people. So, let's save Earth by controlling population. On the occasion of World Population Day, let's make a promise to ourselves to be more responsible towards the increasing population. We have been gifted with a beautiful world, and the onus to protect it and pass it on to the coming generations lies on our shoulders. So let us control the rising population to make it a better place to live. Let's celebrate World Population Day and a very happy World Population Day to all.
We live in a culture that values and respects women and also looks up to and idolizes women as much as men. Yes, children, in our culture, we respect and we pray to Ma Saraswati. This year's theme for World Population Day is mainly focused on protecting and safeguarding the rights of women from all around the world. The theme of World Population Day 2020 also focuses on keeping women and girls healthy, especially during this time of a pandemic. Poverty and illiteracy also contribute immensely in the population explosion. So, by improving health, empowering women, population growth comes down. The level of female education has a direct impact on the increase in population. It is important. That's why to create and celebrate awareness, we should get to know women and girls in our neighborhood and learn about their troubles. And we can help them out also in some way. Women are also hit harder economically due to this COVID 19 crisis. Around 60% of women across the world earn their livelihood by working in the informal sectors. Dear children, we can talk about right to health, care, gender equality, education and human rights with women around us who have not had the opportunity of receiving proper education in their childhood. So, dear parents and children, let's take a pledge on this World Population Day that we will contribute a little and try to help out in some way, some woman or a girl. I hope you all will really do this. Thank you.